In esports, the Philippine Kings League fall season comes to a close with new rulers claiming the crown. Mobile journalist Amy Atienza tells us more about the thrilling conclusion.
New Kings have been named and the agents have it. Blacklist International are your new champions for the Philippine Kings League fall season. Fan favorites Blacklist International completed their redemption against the defending Honor of Kings champions Boom Esports in a best-of-7 series. It was a back-and-forth affair between the two teams until Boom Esports gained a 3-2 advantage, moving just a win away from defending their title. But in Game 6, the agents shut down Boom's jungler Carl to keep their hopes alive. For Blacklist's Justin Just Chitan, it was their never-give-up mantra and their experiences that pushed the rivalry to the ultimate do-or-die Game 7.
Ayun po, di po kami sumusuko nun na kahit sobrang may lead po sila, like di kami nag-give up talaga, and then, ayun, tinatry po talaga namin humanap ng paraan kung paano po makakambak sa game.
Ang pinakamagaling sa lahat! Tumayan nyo ang pagdating ng isang alaban!
Blacklist ended the final game in just around 9 minutes, clinching their first Philippine Kings League title.
Ayun, sobrang saya kasi umabot po kami ng finals, first of all. And then, ayun, like, mas excited po kasi kami na sila yung makalaban kasi yun nga, gusto po namin bumawi sa kanila. So ayun, nag-pay off po, kaya sobrang happy po namin yun.
Blacklist Flash laner Chami 1 Nazarea was also awarded as the final's most valuable player. For him, the championship felt special, especially as they broke the code to get their revenge over Boom Esports. And he attributes his finals MVP award to his teammates.
Sa akin, parang ano lang siya eh. Like, okay, pero parang tinulungan din kasi ako ng team ko na makuha itong finals MVP. And siguro nag-pay off din yung mga hard work ko na paglalaro until midnight, mga ganun. So, parang nakakaano lang siya. Like, mas namotivate ako na galingan ko pa dahil sa nakuha ko.
The league also recognized the 4 Philippine teams who will advance to the Honor of Kings International Championship this year. These include finalists Blacklist International and Boom Esports, ACT Esports Club, and Elevate. Kapatid Amy Atienza, we are One News.